Hi everybody, I'm Flavia Dutto, Private Office Advisor for Lake Maggiore and Lake Orta. Today we are in Lesa, in a wonderful location, and if you wanna, we can discover more details about this property. Let's come! And here we go! We are in Lesa, as I told you, in this amazing location, very famous for the tranquility and the nature. And you need to know that it's very easy to reach out from Milano and from Malpensa airport by train or by car. And of course, you can enjoy this amazing view all around me. And here I am in the private dock, direct to the lake. With your boat, you can come and use the buoy just behind me, and you can swim in this amazing and very clean water direct to the property. The garden is approximately 3,000 square meters, full of plants, roses of all kinds, and this is the entrance of the guest house. The guest house is divided into 2 bedrooms with bathroom and suite, kitchenette, dining room, and of course the living room, with very special things inside. Let's discover that. And this is the particularity of the guest house. The living room is just the kingdom of the billiard. So you can play with your guests and your friends and enjoy again the lake. The property was built in 1952 and is so prestigious that it is mentioned on the More di Lago book. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed the tour, and stay tuned. Ciao, ciao.